I pay income tax, national insurance, VAT, council tax, just like you. But there are 3 hidden taxes on this farm, driven by government policy. They are adding £10 to £15 to your grocery shop. Let's break it down. I'm Ben from Radmore Farm, and after my BBC interview I had a lot of comments saying that farmers dodge tax, or subsidies means I'm just fine. I shouldn't require any more money for my produce. But that's wrong. We pay the same taxes as everybody else, same as you. We're not exempt. If you're 55 or over, you're feeling this even more. Your shopping bill's gone up by 37% since 2020. But 3 extra taxes from the government are hiking up your shopping even more. God, it's windy. So 3 taxes you didn't know about that are pushing up your shopping. Number 1, levies. Forced deduction. The government takes £4 5 per head of cattle, £1 and 2 pence per pig, 6 pence per litre of milk, mandated by the Agriculture Act in 2020. They say it's for research, but deducted before costs, with margins at 2 to 3% on farms. We raise prices or we go bust. Those taxes are passed on to you, the consumer. So there are some industry estimates. Beef mince 5 to 8 pence per kilo. Milk 3 to 5 pence per pint. The government collects £52.7 million per year, and that's all taken from your shopping trolley. Number 2, climate change levies, or carbon taxes. The government taxes our energy on the farms, cooling milk, heating barns, doing general farm stuff. But they tax British farmers whilst importing produce from other countries, while importing untaxed meat from abroad, with no carbon rules or agendas set in those countries. Your cheese or milk, that adds 5 to 10 pence per item. And from 2027, we have the proposed carbon tax. Imports of fertiliser could be up £50 per tonne, and that will put up your bread price, 2 to 5 pence per loaf, and rising. Number 3 is a big one. Inheritance tax changes to farms. So we know that from April 2026, the government has announced inheritance tax changes for farmers. This means most family farms with 150 acres, small farms, will be attacked by this tax. The government says only 500 estates are going to be affected. NFU and DEFRA though, their research shows 66% of farms are going to be affected. And that's DEFRA, a government department, has already shown the government this is bad. This takes the number to 70,000 farms that could be impacted. The farming families can't pay these 100 grand, 400 grand bills. And this means farmland is going to be sold. Fewer farms means more imports. Industry estimates 15 to 20% price rises on UK meat and dairy. And that's by 2030. That's 5 years' time. It's more than 10 or 20 pounds per week. Insanity. Where's our food security? This is just... oh my God. But let's make the government accountable for these problems. Government mandates the AHDB levy, taxes on our energy, allowing untaxed imports, as well as the farm inheritance tax. You've already got me started on that, which could hit 66% of farms. And the ONS says that food inflation is up again since 2020. In fact, they estimate 37%. These policies are making our lives in this country worse. Consumers, farmers alike. I might put a bit of... And they blame the global markets. This isn't about farmers. It's about governments making poor choices for your food, for your shopping. And this just hikes your food bill. It doesn't hike their food bill. So if you want the truth about food, farming and governments, please hit that subscribe button. I will continue to make videos just like this one and carry on spreading the good word. I'm exposing what the government hides, and I'll see you next time.